when we graduated from the bungalow colonies, we started going to this hotel in Lac Sheldrake, at the Brookside Hotel. Now, in the Brookside Hotel, by that time I was about 7 or 8 years old, over the hill. I was all grown up. Rather than travel around the mountains doing different hotels and whatever, this group lived at the hotel, like a repertory group, and they were from 2nd Avenue, and so we got to know each other very well. The band leader at this hotel was Abe Schwartz. Abe Schwartz wrote My Little Cousin, Mein Grüne Cousine. That was a very popular song. Now, he played the violin, and there was a 6 or 7, maybe 6-piece band, and his daughter Sylvia was on the piano, and she was the one who rehearsed everybody for the evening's performances. Again, there were no camps, and there was no real activity for the kids. So my activity each afternoon was to sit with Abe Schwartz and be taught Yiddish songs, and he would write lead sheets for, in my key, for the pianist to be able to play. The group that was there, I can read or tell you the names, okay. There was Jaime Jacobson, Irving Jacobson, the 2 brothers who owned the Jewish National Theater on 2nd Avenue and Houston Street. May Schoenfeld was Irving's wife, and there was a Mr. Schoenfeld. Now, he was obviously May Schoenfeld's father. Nobody ever called him anything but Mr. Schoenfeld. I don't know if the man had a first name, because nobody ever used it. Then there was Dinah Goldberg, whose mother used to come up and brought their Pekingese dog. Now, the 3 of them looked alike, Dinah, her mother, and the Pekingese dog. Her husband, Irving Grossman, they did an act, you know, the singing and dancing, the usually Hutzke thing. There were the Fader sisters, Sylvia and Miriam. Sylvia was a soprano, Miriam was the contralto, and they did their singing things. And there was Fivish Finkel. They were all part of that group. And I was a little kid. And I have to tell you, they treated me wonderfully. I was always treated, whether it was in the hotel or in the theater, like you treat a little kid. I mean, when I hear stories of what comes out of Hollywood, the pedophilia that comes out of Hollywood, I can't believe it. The Jewish theater was very different. There were families, husbands, wives, children, and it was a job, and you did your job and you went home.